last proper track day before the Formula 1 finals. Now today we're doing something a little bit different. We have got a coach and someone that knows Cadwell and driven more laps around here than I've had hot dinners. So Mark's going to be helping me out today to really maximise the most out of Roland and improve my driving ability as well. So let's get going.
As per tradition, we've got a Lucozade Sport whilst in the cafe, and because we've got a coach with us today, we've got all these cameras everywhere so we can look back at what we're doing. But first session, let's go.
So that is the first couple of sessions done and things are flowing so much better. Mark is a fantastic coach and really helping learn like the flow at Cadwell, because Cadwell's a very technical track. You can tell it's very windy, which is probably not hearing much of my voice, and we have had a bit of rain this morning, but it's starting to dry out. The car's performing really well, so now we've just got to keep practicing. So we're going to look at some data from V-Box and then go back out and try it all over again. But yeah, loving it.
Because the car is so heavy on the fronts and they're exactly the same wheels and tyres on both, we're swapping the fronts to the rears just so we can get some more grip on the front and tread. So Dad is loving the new wheel gun.
have got pretty much nearly a dry track, even if it is cold, so really making the most out of the day. Marc has been fantastic, and the whole V-Box data as well has taught me a lot about Cadwell. We are getting about a 1:55 at the moment, so it's a lot quicker than what I was doing previously, and my confidence is now getting to the point where the car's limiting my ability rather than me not getting the most out of the car, according to Marc. So because we're just on really a standard, not great suspension, and we're on road tyres, we're finding the limits of the tyres and suspension now, which is a compliment, because obviously we've only had this car for 6 months, and to be finding the limit of it now is really great. So we're going to look at some modifications to it, so maybe a suspension, get some tyres sorted and everything. But yeah, it's going really, really well, and as you can tell, loving it.
Now, when it's looking very cloudy, it's time for me to go on my own and see if I can put into practice what I've learned today. So let's give it a go. So I went out by myself to see if I could put to practice what Marc taught me and do it by myself without someone telling me what to do. Obviously, as we've gone out, he has said less and less to kind of get me to work it out myself. And the first time we went out, a Clio had smashed into a barrier, so that lasted like a whole 2 laps. But once things cleared, we went back out again, and I got my best time, and everything just flowed really smoothly, and I think it's really kind of embedded in, I guess. So everything was flowing well, the corners were doing really well. Came back here, sort of reviewed data, and then looked to go out again, and as you'll see in the video, it started to spit a little bit. We thought it might pass, but then it laid it down, so everything's packed up ready to go because the day's nearly over anyway. But yeah, what a day. I've loved it, absolutely loved it. So huge thank you to Marc for today, and yeah, you guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.